Sunday Spotlight Vehicle. Unleash the beast with the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 F4. Get ready to conquer the great outdoors with the ultimate off-road warrior, the 2024 Sierra 1500 F4 Pickup-Crew Cab. Prepare for unmatched style and performance on every terrain. Off-road capability. Designed with off-road enthusiasts in mind, the Sierra 1500 F4 is equipped with features like off-road suspension, skid plates, and a 2-inch factory-installed lift for enhanced ground clearance. It's built to tackle any off-road adventure with confidence. Distinctive design. The AT4 trim boasts a rugged and bold design, featuring unique exterior elements like a black chrome grille, darkened exterior accents, and special badging. These design elements contribute to its distinctive and aggressive appearance, ensuring you stand out on and off the road. Premium Interior. While it's a capable off-road vehicle, the Sierra 1500 F4 doesn't compromise on comfort. Enjoy a luxurious interior with high-quality materials, advanced technology features, and a spacious cabin design. Whether you're navigating trails or city streets, it offers a premium driving experience. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the urban jungle, the Sierra 1500 F4 is your ticket to an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. Schedule a test drive today and elevate your off-road adventures with the Sierra 1500 F4.